Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with a severe weather update for the Day 2 outlook. First off, I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks today. He's going to a Baltimore Orioles game today. I hope he has fun, and I hope the Orioles win for him. Okay, so I am filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks, and also, if his family parks in the parking garage, he'll be able to shoot a DEVM episode on his other channel, Southern Pennsylvania WX. So, half the time, his family will not park in the parking garage, but half the time, his family will. So, hopefully, but I don't want anybody's hopes up, but there's a chance, just a chance, that he might have a DEVM episode on his other channel, Southern Pennsylvania WX. But again, I'm filling in for SPC Convective Outlooks while he's going to an Orioles game. So, anyway, this is the Day 2 Outlook video. We have 2 enhanced risk areas tomorrow. One enhanced risk tomorrow encompasses west central and southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and extreme northwestern Kansas. And another enhanced risk area tomorrow encompasses central Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Cities in tomorrow's enhanced include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Lawrence, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, and Salina, Kansas. So, we have a slight risk tomorrow that encompasses extreme southeastern Wyoming, much of Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, parts of Kansas, southwestern Iowa, western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, most of Oklahoma, and north central Texas. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Again, areas in the dark green are in a marginal tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Memphis, Tennessee, Nashville, Tennessee, Atlanta, Georgia, St. Louis, Missouri, and Birmingham, Alabama. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses central Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Cities in tomorrow's 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Wichita, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, and Emporia, Kansas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area encompasses the entirety of the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger tomorrow. So cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Wichita, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, Salina, Kansas, Hutchinson, Kansas, and Emporia, Kansas. And again, black dash meaning the highest potential to see strong tornadoes of EF2 rating or stronger tomorrow. There is a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses the extreme southeastern corner of Wyoming, northeastern Colorado, the southern half of Nebraska, much of Kansas, much of Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, most of Oklahoma, and north central Texas. Cities in the 5% tornado risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Lincoln, Nebraska, and Overland Park, Kansas. And there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. There is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow in the dark green area. So, the dark green is in a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Omaha, Nebraska, Arlington, Texas, and Plano, Texas. Going to the wind threat for tomorrow, if this thing will load. Okay, there we go. There are two areas where we have a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. One encompassing extreme southeastern corner of Wyoming, west central and southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and the very far extreme northwestern tip of Kansas. And the other 15% area tomorrow encompasses extreme southeastern Nebraska, eastern Kansas, western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, the eastern half of Oklahoma, and north central Texas. Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Overland Park, Kansas. And there is a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow that encompasses southeastern Wyoming, parts of northeast Colorado, much of Nebraska, much of Kansas, the western half and far southeastern Oklahoma, much of Texas, southwestern Iowa, much of Missouri, much of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, southwestern Illinois, southwestern Kentucky, most of Tennessee, most of Mississippi, most of Alabama, the far southwestern corner of North Carolina, most of Georgia, and the southwestern half of South Carolina. Cities in the 5% wind risk tomorrow include Houston, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, and Austin, Texas. Going to tomorrow's hail threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. One covering west central and southwestern Nebraska, northeastern Colorado, and extreme northwestern Kansas. And the other 30% hail risk tomorrow encompasses central Kansas and north central Oklahoma. Cities in the 30% hail risk tomorrow include Wichita, Kansas, Topeka, Kansas, Lawrence, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma, and Salina, Kansas. And a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow, encompassing extreme southeastern corner of Wyoming, northeast Colorado, much of Nebraska, much of Kansas, southwestern Iowa, western Missouri, northwestern Arkansas, most of Oklahoma, and north central Texas. Cities in the 15% hail risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area covers the entirety of both 30% hail risk areas and most of the 15% hail risk area tomorrow. The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. Again, black dashed area meaning the highest potential to see hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include, I would say Houston is not in it, so neither is Jacksonville, Florida. Don't know why they put it in there, but I would say San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Texas are included. Okay, so in summary for tomorrow, severe thunderstorms capable of all severe hazards are still expected on Sunday across portions of the central and southern plains, as well as parts of the central high plains. So that's the Day 2 outlook. So again, I am filling in for SPC convective outlooks for Day 2 tomorrow. I am filling in for SPC convective outlooks for the Day 2 outlook. So because he is going to an Orioles game today, Baltimore Orioles game today, so I hope he has fun, and I hope they win for him. So, anyway, take today to prepare for tomorrow. Have we been notified tomorrow of getting warnings tomorrow, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. So, anyway, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and I will have another update tomorrow morning. Take care.